Welcome back, llamas. This is topic 11, block 3, part 1, really. We're just going to do number 1 and 2, and we'll come back and do the rest. So, you know how cereal boxes have prizes in them? Some of them. And I always, when I was a kid, I would get it and get it again, and I would get the same darn prize. I never could get the different prize. Yes, it makes me mad. Same thing at McDonald's. I'd always end up with the same one. Yeah, and you never see them. Yeah. So these fellas were watching TV for the cereal, and they were showing their prize. And what their prize is 6 different puzzle pieces. And if you got all 6 puzzle pieces and put the puzzle together, you could send it in for the grand prize. So these fellas here were watching and were like, hey, we can go in together and try and get all 6 puzzle pieces and split the grand prize. I don't remember what the grand prize was, but something grand. So one dude said they would probably have to buy like 30 boxes to get all 6 prizes. Could you buy 6 boxes and have all 6 different ones?
No.
You could, but it's probably very unlikely.
1 in a million.
So, one guy thought maybe if they bought 30 boxes, they should be good enough. One guy was like, no, 12 should be decent. Another dude said 20 should be good, and another guy said more than 30 it's going to take. So they don't want to waste a bunch of the cereal. They want to have a very good guess of how many boxes they should buy. So they're going to create a simulation. How many boxes do you think should be bought?
I say about 14.
All right, well, we probably won't go with Joseph. I don't know. Just shout them out. 35, 36, 45. You're close. 4? I was about to say, that's impossible. Okay. All right. So we're going to create a simulation for this for them so they don't have to go out and buy all the boxes. They can test it at first.
Just like pile it all.
All right, so we're going to go through our 5 steps for creating a simulation. First step is to identify a model. So there's 6 puzzle pieces. What mathematical tool could we use to represent 6 different puzzle pieces? Dice. Okay, so we're going to represent the different puzzle pieces with each side of the die. Okay, so we identified the model that we're going to use. Next, we're going to define the trial. There are 6 sides. I want to see how many total rolls it takes to get all 6 puzzle pieces. And remember, each side is representing a puzzle piece. So I roll once. I've got 1 puzzle piece. I've got 2. 3. Going good so far. Oh, no. I still got 3. I got 4. 4.
Stop, sis.
I've spun 11. Okay, one more. Let's see. Oh, no. I've spun 13 times now.
Number 5.
Oh.
Justin, I think you're off. It's messing it all up.
Oh.
Oh no.
It took me 20 rolls to have all 6 puzzle pieces. So that says how many boxes I would need would be 20. That's 1 trial. That's 1 trial. Should you only have 1 trial in an experiment?
At least 3.
You need a lot. for it to be accurate. Okay, so that was one trial. Next, so we identified a model, we defined a trial. Now we would need to record our information. So we had 20 rolls. One trial had that. All right, we recorded it. Then we have to repeat our step. So we would go again. What do y'all think is going to happen this time?
It's gonna be longer.
25? All right. See how it goes?
Oh.
Oh.
Stop.
Okay. Oh.
What?
Oh! It really isn't rigged because it's changed every hour. So this time, this trial, I needed how many boxes? 10 boxes to have all 6 pieces. Okay? So number 1 in your book is our example. They've already done the trials for us. They've done 50 trials. See where they have the numbers next to the number of rolls. So for 15, how many trials had 15? 10. So that means 15 times 10 gives me a total number of rolls just for that trial. So I need to calculate the number of rolls. We have to find the average. What is average?
Mean.
The mean. I have a cute little joke up here for mean. See if it comes up. Alright, so I need to calculate how many total spins. So I need to add them all up. So I first need to multiply to get a total number of spins that I have taken. You should be recording this into your number 1. So 5 of my trials was 13 rolls. So that was 5 sets of 13 rolls is why we had to multiply. Then we added it all up. So to find average and mean, what do we have to do? How do you find average or mean? Add it all up and divide by the number of trials. So we're going to add all of these up and our trials up. I get 745 divided by 50, because there were 50 trials. And I get 14.9 rolls. So on average for this simulation that we did, how many boxes should the fellas buy? 15. 14.9 probably will not let you check out. 0.9 of a box. Okay. So now we need to conduct the simulation, and we're going to conduct it 25 times, but I'm going to do one time for you. So here is how it would go. You're not moving yet, but you're going to have a scratch paper, and on that scratch paper you would probably need to write 1 through 6. Okay? Watching me up here, so you're not confused. Okay? I need to see how many rolls it takes me to get all 6 sides, or 6 puzzle pieces. So I roll and I got a 2, right?
Yes.
I put a tally. 4, put a tally. Have I written anything in the table that they've got given me yet? I got another 2. I got another 2. You're watching me. I got a 6. I got another 6. Help me out here.
Oh.
2,
Oh.
3, 5, 1. Okay. So, I've gotten all the puzzle pieces. So I need to see how many total rolls it took to get all the puzzle pieces. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I go over to this chart. Number of boxes. We said 10, so I'm going to put a tally. Because my first trial, you have to do that 25 times. Actually, you're doing that 24 times. Because I did 1 for you. Okay? So your scratch paper is just going to have a lot of 1 through 6s on it to see how many times you would land. This is on your main chart's just going to have tallies. Should have a total of 25 tallies by the time you're done. Any questions on the simulation? Hey, I'm still recording. Simulation questions. All right, part 2 will be filmed tomorrow. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment.
Hashtag new merch.
Hashtag bring KJNM back.
Yeah!